Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has accepted them. Now it's the command of Allah, فَوَلُّوا وُجُوهَكُمْ شَطْرَ الْمَسْجِدِ الْحَرَامِ. Now it is His command. Change your direction. Face now Kaaba, Masjid al-Haram. Now you have to do it. لَيْسَ الْبِرَّ أَن تُوَلُّوا وُجُوهَكُمْ قِبَلَ الْمَشْرِقِ وَالْمَغْرِبِ وَلَكِنَّ الْبِرَّ مَنْ آمَنَ بِاللَّهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ إلى آخر الآية. Then comes a complete and comprehensive concept of what is virtue. What's the spirit of virtue? And what are the manifestations, practical manifestations in the actions and deeds and behavior and attitude of a person who possesses that spirit of virtue. So this is the subject matter of this ayah. Because we have discussed clearly more than half of the ayah and we have to complete the rest today, let us translate it again. Formerly, I read out to you the translations by Mr. Pickthall. Secondly, the translation by Allama Muhammad Asad. And thirdly, the English translation of the Urdu translation done by Maulana Maududi. But now I am giving you my own translation. لَيْسَ الْبِرَّ أَن تُوَلُّوا وُجُوهَكُمْ قِبَلَ الْمَشْرِقِ وَالْمَغْرِبِ. The real virtue is not that you turn your faces towards the east or the west. وَلَكِنَّ الْبِرَّ مَنْ آمَنَ بِاللَّهِ وَالْيَوْمِ الْآخِرِ وَالْمَلَائِكَةِ وَالْكِتَابِ وَالنَّبِيِّينَ. But the real virtue is the virtue of a person who believed in Allah and the last day and the angels and the books and the prophets. وَآتَ الْمَالَ عَلَى حُبِّهِ. And he gave his wealth despite its love. ذَوِي الْقُرْبَى وَالْيَتَامَى وَالْمَسَاكِينَ وَابْنَ السَّبِيلِ وَالسَّائِلِينَ وَفِي الرِّقَابِ. To the close relatives and the orphans and the weak or the helpless. I will explain it later on. And the wayfarer and the beggars, and for freeing people from bondage. وَأَقَامَ الصَّلَاةَ وَآتَى الزَّكَاةَ. And he kept the obligatory prayer established and paid the obligatory charity regularly. وَالْمُوفُونَ بِعَهْدِهِمْ إِذَا عَهَدُوا. And the truly virtuous are those who fulfill their promises and agreements whenever they have made any.